Mr. Harrington?
Yes, sir.
Hey, good morning. Do you have a driver's license currently?
Yes.
Can you show it on the screen for me, please?
Yes, sir. Sorry, give me a minute.
Hey, that's okay, sir. Please take your time. Counsel?
Works for me. They'd move to dismiss for compliance.
It's dismissed for compliance. Mr. Harrington, have a great day, okay?
All right, thank you.
Very welcome. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am, looks like you have a no insurance and a stop sign. Do you have valid insurance, or counsel, you want to make her an offer on the stop sign?
I can make her an offer on the stop sign.
Go right ahead.
State's offered me a $255 fine and court supervision on the disregarding a stop sign, and then we would dismiss per plea the insurance ticket.
Is that something you're interested in, ma'am?
No, because I have insurance and I submitted my insurance, or I tried to submit it like through the link, like it gave me a thing to do and take a picture.
But they're willing to dismiss the insurance ticket. You don't have to worry about the insurance ticket.
So does that mean if I got the ticket, but I have insurance?
It'll mean nothing. It's going to get dismissed. So the only thing that should concern you is the stop sign ticket. And they're offering $255 on the stop sign ticket, and they're willing to dismiss the insurance ticket.
But shouldn't the insurance ticket be dismissed because I have insurance anyways?
Well, yeah.
I guess what I'm kind of.
Well, that's
I have
exactly
one kid.
that's exactly what they're doing. They're dismissing your insurance ticket.
Okay, so I'm kind of confused because I already have insurance, so I guess that's not really I don't know, a plea, a deal.
Because you also got the disregarding a stop sign ticket. You have two tickets.
Right.
So we're making the $255 court supervision offer on the disregarding a stop sign, and then your insurance ticket's going to be dismissed.
Okay. So when I went to pay by fine, it said like $165.
Right, but if you want supervision, it's more expensive, and supervision is a benefit to you. It keeps it off of your record, so it's a good thing for the $255. But if you just want the $164 and the conviction, we can sign you up for that as well, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm just confused on it all. So the 165, then it will be on my record.
That's correct. It's a conviction on your record and could affect your insurance rates.
Okay, and then the 255, that I'd be on court supervision for my driver's license.
That's correct. You would be on court supervision for as long as it would take you to pay the fine. So for instance, you would be on supervision for 3 months if you needed 3 months to pay. If you could pay that today, you'd be on 1 month of court supervision.
Okay. Okay, then what does that mean, being on supervision?
Actually,
you can't
right,
you can't
get another ticket. That's correct.
Okay. Okay. So the insurance, they did get the proof of the insurance.
Yes, that's getting dismissed. We have that.
Okay. Okay. I get whatever we need to do.
Tell me, what do you want? You want the 164? Or you want the 255?
Well, I'd like the 164, but I don't know with being on the phone with you if my insurance is going to go up with this or not.
Yeah, and that's always the million-dollar question. We have no idea.
Right.
So why don't you, I mean, again, I can't tell you what to do, but if you're concerned about your insurance and stuff like that, take the 255 and I'll give you to December 1st to pay it if you need.
Is there a way that we can have another court date and I can call the insurance company and ask them?
Here's the problem. You're going to have to come to court to do that.
Okay, yeah, I don't want to do that either.
Mom, where's my
Okay,
clothes?
I'm in a meeting right now. You need to go.
Where's my clothes?
Uh, so if I do the 165, how long does it stay on my record?
That's a conviction on your record forever. Because
Okay,
it's
but is this like with a DUI, even if you get the court supervision, it's still on your record forever? So if I take the supervision, is it still on my hidden record? Or I don't know what they call it.
so if your question is, can somebody find out that you received court supervision on this offense? Of course they can.
So there's not really a benefit to it besides it not being right there for the insurance right now.
I mean, however you want to spin it, man. But again, if you want the 164, I'll sign you up for it and still give you till December 1st to pay the 164, okay?
Okay, I don't really know. I'm confused on it, I guess. And it's
Maybe
like
if
the
you-
I had a DUI and I got supervision on it, but then later on, they said, it's not going to be on your record. Well, then later on, then that DUI got brought back up. So there was really no point in getting this supervision because it was still on the record. So
It's my understanding that court supervision on a traffic ticket would not show up on your public driving abstract.
okay.
So
So then what-
DUI. It's
Okay,
still
and so
different.
demerits. People said, well, it'll give you so many demerit points.
no idea what Jesse White's office does with respect to a conviction. No idea.
Okay.
But if you haven't had any convictions in a while, take the 164.
Well, I don't know. I just don't want it on there. But they stay on there anyway. So kind of a tricky question.
Because, ma'am, I have to get to everybody else that's waiting for me in this Zoom call. So make a decision for me, please.
Okay. So if I do the 265, what do I have to do?
255, you have to do nothing, just pay it by December 1st.
Okay, let's do that.
Thank you, ma'am.
That we're done?
Yes, ma'am. Have a great day. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, you too.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah. Let me go in there.
You guys have a roads for me?
Is he an attorney for someone?
Let's find out.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Barack Adler, ADLER.
Hey, great. Good morning. How are you?
I'm okay. How about Your Honor?
Fantastic. Thank you. Are you interested in an offer today, counsel?
Yes. Yes, I am.
So the state's offer would be a $255 fine, court supervision, and a one-time traffic safety class because he is under the age of 21 on the speeding ticket. And then we would dismiss per plea the insurance ticket.
That sounds fine. May I just ask the period of supervision?
And, well, I would give him or her enough time to do traffic school, so you can pay the fine and get traffic school done by December 1st, so a couple months. Is that okay?
That's fine. I actually had him do the school in anticipation of, this offer. So that part's done. He might need a month or two to pay, but I had him do the traffic school, and I can submit his completion of that at any time.
You're an officer of the court. I take your word for it, counsel. So why don't we just get rid of the traffic school portion? So it'll just be $255 in court supervision and pay that by December 1st, okay?
Very good.
Awesome. See you. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Judge.
And Judge, the 2 orders I just handed you, I don't have file for, so if you just want to let me know what the offense is, I will make it on.
Do that. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
State's gonna make you an offer, okay?
All right.
What can I take it as?
This is a failure to pay a stop sign.
So the state's offer is going to be a $255 fine and court supervision.
All right.
When can you pay that?
2 months.
Sure, December 1st is great. Have a great day. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Very well.
Can you hear me?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
What is your last name?
ATO, Ato.
Thank you. State's gonna make you an offer on the speeding ticket.
State's offer would be a $255 fine and court supervision.
Is that okay with you?
I thought I had to say my defense. I'm not sure how it goes.
Zoom court is set up for people that just don't want to come to court, but they want to pay the fine or listen to the offer from the state. If you want to contest your ticket, you disagree with the ticket, you're going to have to come to court in person, okay?
Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah, I wanted to contest the ticket.
All right, so I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty. I tell you what, no, we're going to give you an in-person first appearance date. Counsel, what is that?
I don't have those on me, unfortunately.
We're gonna need that.
Do you have the Judge Stark's schedule for that? We could probably just set it on her next first appearance week on Monday.
Yeah, just hold. So August 30th?
30th? Yep.
Ma'am, your next court date will be in court, August 30th, 8:30 a.m. and 6C, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Can you please repeat that? Let me write that down.
Here we go again. August 30th
Mm-hmm.
at 8:30 in courtroom 6C.
All right, thank you.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Kim. And thank you for picking up those orders.
Good morning, Mr. Calvert.
Good morning, Judge.
State's gonna make you an offer on the speeding ticket. Go right ahead.
State's offer be a $255 fine and court supervision.
Is that agreeable to you, sir?
Well, can I ask a question first, Judge?
Absolutely.
So on the ticket, it says, that I was going 59 and a 69, but then it says speeding 15 to 20 miles above the limit. So,
That's a great question. Counsel?
I don't have the ticket in front of me, so I can't confirm or.
and then
My understanding is this: if you were charged with 1 to 10 or 15 to 20, I believe that the offer would be the same. Correct, counsel?
That is correct.
It would be 255 in court supervision.
well, so my argument is that, so I'm in from out of town visiting my son. I was in from California, and that road is a straight road that leads onto a freeway on-ramp. So I'm increasing my speed on that road to get ready to enter the freeway. So it's very confusing as to where the, where am I supposed to increase my speed in order to get onto the freeway on-ramp? And that's where I was pulled over.
And what's unfortunate about Zoom court, the original intent for people to call in, accept the offer, and pay the fine. The unfortunate stance for you is if you wanted to contest this ticket, unfortunately, you would have to come to court in person.
Okay, well, I mean, that wouldn't even be financially feasible for me since I'm in California. So, if that's my only other choice, then that's what I guess if that's the only.
The other choice is this: if you have a decent driving record, you can take the conviction. It's 164, cheaper than 255, but it's going to be on your record, and it could affect your insurance rates.
No, I'd rather that it doesn't.
All right, so can you pay the 255 by December 1st?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Calvert, I'm sorry about this, but again, if you wanted to contest it, you'd come to court, but you're in California, you'd spend 10 times the amount, right?
That's true. Yeah, my son's out there in an internship, so that's the only reason I was out there. And yeah, I mean, it was confusing. I was early in the morning. I'm getting ready to go to the airport, and it wasn't like I was blasting through that area. But I mean, if that's my only option, then I guess that's my only option.
Okay, sir, I appreciate it, and apologies from the court. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Very welcome. Is that it? Looks like that's it. I don't have
No.
anyone else.
Lauren Anderson.
Nope, I have no one in the queue. What's that?
Oh, she.